very bad feeling. Do we have an audience yet?
Do we?
I said, do we have an audience yet? Ow.
No, one more. Dude, this is a bad idea.
Yes,
I mean,
it is.
I'm down for it, don't get me wrong.
I feel like I'm gonna spend the night in jail tonight. For some odd reason.
How did that fall through? It's the spud bigger. I'm not down for the golf ball, bro. The golf ball is hard.
It's also smaller. Please don't hit that guy.
Hit the guy?
No, don't hit the guy. I didn't say hit him.
I'm sorry, I have a pretty bad hearing.
Uh-huh, you're probably gonna hit him, aren't you?
Yeah, we hit him. He probably won't. That guy?
Yeah.
Or that one?
All of them.
Let's do it. Go left.
That old guy's gonna hurt us.
How that much? You throwing this one, big boy? You got it rolling, baby?
Oh my god, yeah, I have it rolling. I've been having it rolling.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Muzzle flash!
Woo!
Where's the...
That old guy.
He's not mad or anything.
No, he was freaking out. He was so...
He turned around. I'd turn around too if I heard a fucking gunshot. Oh, no, just do this part. We're conserving potatoes.
Conserving potatoes. Who wants hash browns? Kidding.
We're gonna go get a chain link fence and then make some french fries.
You're gonna what, huh?
Get a chain link fence and make some french fries.
Oh god, those are gonna be pretty big french fries. Oh, dang it.
I feel like this one's just gonna blow up.
What?
No, he's joking.
What?
He's joking, baby. Old man's just slowly doing his stuff. You wanna fire it? Whatever people can call the cops? Well, as long as he's out here, he can. He's out here obviously to go off. He was scared of it, he'd go south. Or if he's probably just waiting for us to blow ourselves up.
Or blow the little girl up that's sitting down on the ground.
Baby, I would jump in front of an exploding spud can when you're holding.
Really? Say that again. I need to get that on camera.
You want to get that cap sometime ready? I don't know how much you're putting in. That's about it. I breathed it in.
What's he doing? Is he just standing there?
That was pretty good distance. Ah, it smells good. So.
It sounds like me. Tag.
I don't give a shit if it's
Tag.
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 Tag, you're in.
Tag smells better.
Alright, so you go run back and forth across the field. Yeah. Oh, it's hot.
Oh my god.
I'm in cowboy. So?
I'm in high heels.
We're not making you run across the field. Especially with the intention of shooting whoever is coming down there. Like,
You wouldn't shoot me?
Huh?
You wouldn't shoot me?
I know I wouldn't shoot you.
You know the punishment.
Huh?
I said you know the punishment.
I might like it, huh? So this isn't a complete fit, but I say we give it a shot anyway. Oh, I'm shooting.
That sounds so dirty.
It's okay, we've had that problem before.
You guys.
Follow that shit, bro.
Press! Can't go